Hi everyone, welcome back to HardReset.Info channel. Today I will show you how to add a photo to your contacts on iPhone devices. So as you see, I already have my iPhone in hand and I'm on my home screen. Then search for the phone app, click the phone app, then go to one of the contacts that you want to have and click on the contact that you would like to apply. Maybe either this one I will try, or maybe this one. Click edit, and if you haven't set it up, the profile picture, all you need to do is just click add photo. Then you can scroll down through the camera, photos, emojis, everything. Select this photo and click as done. And that's basically it for the video, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Leave a like and subscribe, and see you guys in the next one.